Nandito ka ba sa UAE and you are planning to get married soon, or you're already in the planning stage of getting married soon, but you don't know how or where to start, and you don't know all the documents na kailangan mong i-obtain just to get married here in UAE? You are in the right channel. Hi, my name is Mar and I am your spoon feeder creator here in YouTube. I am living here in UAE for more than a decade already. Feel so old, but this will be an updated version of my previous videos that I posted, because up until now I keep on getting comments and also DMs on how to process things, especially sa marriage, report of marriage in our embassy. So here I am creating an updated video. So since 2021, I think so, mas madali na yung pagpapakasal here in UAE. It's not like as complicated as what we did or what we've experienced back in 2019. So this video will be the first step that you have to do when you are going to get married here in UAE. And this one, it will be for non-Muslim if you will get married in Abu Dhabi, because a lot of UAE residents, either they are living in Dubai, Sharjah, or any other state, they find it easier to get an appointment and to get a schedule of wedding, or like a civil marriage in Abu Dhabi. So this one will be the first step. So, what are the requirements na kailangan mong i-keep in mind for you to get married in Abu Dhabi Family Civil Court? So, it's only 5 requirements that you have to keep in mind. So, first, you have to make sure that you or your partner is not a UAE national who is a Muslim. And both parties must agree that both of you will get married. Of course, that's why there will be form na kailangan yung both parties will fill out and sign. Third, both parties must be more than, or must be at least 18 years of age. So, 18 years pataas, pwede na kayong magpakasal. Fourth is both parties must not be related to first or second degree. So, hindi kayo blood related, first or second degree. Fifth and last one, both parties must not be married to anybody else. So now, how will you submit your application to get a schedule for your civil wedding? So you have 2 options. First option, you either go to Abu Dhabi Family Court or Judicial Court website, which I will link in the description. So if you are a resident here in UAE, this is what you're going to do. Open the UAE Pass application on your phone and click on the link that I attach on the description for the Adjd website. Click on that and then click on sign in with UAE Pass. Now if you sign in, it will ask for your mobile number. It starts with 971. After that, it will send an authentication on your UAE app, and it will show a number. Just select the number there on the option, so it will authenticate and it will allow you to go through the website. So after you select the same number that is appearing on the screen and also on the UAE Pass, it will then ask you to enter your 4-digit PIN. So just enter that and it will allow you now to go to the website. Now, after you logged into the website, you will see the Abu Dhabi Civil Family Court. Just click on that word and it will route you to this page. And on this page, you will see here marriage. Just read all the information here that you want to get to know if you still have question, and then go up again on the same page and there will be forms. Now in this form you have three options which one to download, so just select which option you want and then download it and then print it out and then send it to the email that I will also put in the description down below. Now, if you're a tourist, don't worry. You can also find the link of the civil wedding application form on the description down below. Now, once that you downloaded the application or the application is already on your screen, just fill out all the necessary details for the husband and wife and then check all the things that they're asking and download it as a PDF form. So, once that you're there, you can just attach all the necessary information such as your passport and EID copy, proof of divorce, and a copy of death certificate if you are widow. And then send it to the email that you will see on every page, at the bottom of every page, which is Civil Family Court at adjd.com.ae. Second, if you want like mabilisan or like a easy way without so much hassle, you can just go ahead and go to any typing center and they will process your request for you. But of course, those typing center are based in Abu Dhabi. What are the required documents? So the required documents are the form that you can download in Abu Dhabi Judicial website or ADJD, which is on the description. Second, copy of both parties' passport or Emirates ID. Third, if this is just like it's not in all cases, but if you were married before and you are already separated, you need a copy or like a certificate that will prove that you are already divorced or annulled to your previous spouse. And fourth, if this is actually optional sa mga rich people, if you need a prenuptial agreement, you need to have a form specific or like a separate form for that one. And there will be additional costs for that. Now, for the schedule of your civil wedding or the process or timeline on when you will get the schedule for your civil wedding, it also depends on this one. So there's two options. So the first one is regular, that will cost you 300 AED for the application, and it will be within 10 working days, and you will get an email through the one that you registered doon sa form. You will get an email indicating the date and the time of your civil wedding. So that will just cost you 300. But there is one that is like express, or what we call like a special wedding schedule, which will be when you choose this one, it will cost you a lot of money, which is 2,500, but it will be super fast. Like it will be fast track. It will be fast tracked and it will be processed within 1 day. Within 1 working day. So, as long as hindi siya mag-fall on sa Saturday, Sunday, which is now working time ng UAE, okay lang. So, if you want, you can apply on Monday, and then by Tuesday, you will get the schedule where you doon sa email na marireceive mo, or here in this second option sa express service, you also have an option to select which date and which time you prefer your civil wedding to be held. See, money talks. Down the description, you will see that I put a link there on how you will download and print out the form for the civil wedding application. So you just need to fill it out together with your partner, attach all the necessary documents such as your passport, your Emirates ID, and also you have to attach, if you're previously married, attach the proof that you are already annulled or divorced to your previous spouse. Next is ano nga ba yung mga schedule na available, date and time na available for the civil wedding. So, para lang may malaman, para lang alam nyo or ano yung may expect nyo. Monday to Thursday, they are available from 9 a.m. until 1:30. And on Friday, they are available from 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. So, also, pagdating nyo doon is, for example, you already receive your email of the dates and also the time kung kailan yung civil wedding will be held. You just need to go there to ADJD building, and then there in gate 5, you just need to present sa entrance through the security, of course. You have to present the proof or the ceremony confirmation which you will receive through email. So once napakita niyo yon, they will direct you to go to civil wedding, or what do you call that, civil wedding section, something like that. And then there they will ask you to provide your Emirates ID or your passport or yung ID nyo na dala-dala nyo. So if you're resident here, you can use your Emirates ID, and if you are not, you're a tourist, you can use your passport. So you have to present that one to the marriage notary officer, so they can check if all the details such as your name, your birthday, everything will be correct doon sa documents. And then they will ask you as well if everything is correct. Yung name nyo ba ay tama? And then you will check. And then yes po, tama. And then they will proceed with the wedding. Witnesses are not really, it's not really a must. Like when you're getting married sa Philippine consulate or Philippine embassy, it's not really a must because the marriage notary officer will act as the witness of you doing marriage or doing that ceremony. So no need for a witness, but you can bring, it's not a problem. You can bring the whole barangay, no problem. During the ceremony, like what I told you, there will be a marriage notary officer that will be present there, and there will be like a pre-recorded vows na you have that will be read to the couples. There will be like different kinds or different languages, I think at least 7. So if you don't speak English, you can actually ask the marriage notary officer that you don't understand English that much, so can you give me another language, like Spanish, Arabic, Russian, any other language that you prefer. So there will be 7 language na available daw. Regarding the photographer, there's no problem in bringing photographer or videographer during the ceremony. Okay lang. So there's no extra cost for that. So usually they are all licensed there. Do I need a ring? Hindi na po. Actually, hindi naman siya necessary na kailangan mo ng ring. But if you want to, just for the sake of video, you know, for the documentary ng special day nyo, you can do that. There's no problem. You can also record your own vow. So, kapag ka may videographer ka doon in the venue during the ceremony, you can also record your own vow to each other, as well as the ring, if you wanted to. By the end of the ceremony, both of you, your partner, will be asked to sign the contract the signed marriage certificate. So, yun lang. So, right after or by the end of your ceremony, after nyong pumirma, ano mga bang gagawin nyo? Up to you, mag-photoshoot kayo doon kasi marami naman mga nagpo-photoshoot doon after din ng ceremony. With the family or with the witnesses, with friends. So, you can do anything. But, meron ka pa bang kailangan gawin? So, actually, wala na. The marriage certificate will be issued. And, just sometimes couples, they wanted to do or to have their marriage certificate attested. So, you can just check on the Ministry of Foreign Affairs how you will have it attested. You can actually courier it to them and then they will send it to your address. So, meron ganong option na. Sa'yo, pinadali na talaga yung marriage ngayon. Dati talagang kami yung pumupunta doon, tapos pipila, kukuha ng number, maghihintay. Alam mo yun, tas init-init. If you have other question about other things na hindi ko na-cover, you can drop message or comments here on this video. If not, if hindi ko alam, if you want a better answer for that, I will just leave the email address ng Family Civil Court, okay? Nandito din yun sa description, okay? Kanta mo din. Yan. So, I hope na na-cover ko lahat. If you need like prenuptial agreement, there will be like additional cost, like 950 if I'm not mistaken. And there will be a separate form for that. What else? I think wala na. Ano nga bang dapat mong suotin? Ikaw, bahala ka kung gusto mag-try de boda doon. Up to you. But there are some people na they choose to use parang more like pang civil wedding na attire. Hindi siya yung very bongga na pang church wedding. So, up to you then. And if you need hair and makeup, don't worry. You have me. So, you can just check on my Facebook page, which is Makeup by Mar. This is the one. And send me DM on my Facebook or here if you want to hire me as your makeup artist. So, you will see there as well yung mga clients ko. So, very affordable naman ako. What else? I hope that I help you with this video, and anything else, just comment down below. And follow me on Makeup by Mar. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this YouTube. Bye!